So today's video is all about the Surface Pro Go, and I'm sorry, it's not the Surface Go. And if you're thinking, should you get it, should you not get it, the short answer is no. Now, the real reason why is just because, well, guys, look at the specs. Now let's get into it. The Surface Go, it comes with a 10-inch screen. I believe the screen ratio, not screen ratio, I'm sorry, the screen resolution is 1800 by 1200. And that's cool, you know, it's a 10-inch screen. You don't need anything too crazy. It's still gonna look good, I'm pretty sure. You're looking at a shorter keyboard than what you're used to with the Surface Pro. And on top of that, it has like an Intel Pentium, I don't even know what they call them nowadays. Some processor that's probably not going to be all that powerful. And now let's all look at the price tag. The price, this thing starts off at $399. It does come with 4 gigs of RAM, I believe. I think there's an option for 8, but regardless, that's what you're working with. Now let's look at a device in the past that can compare to it, and not only price but size and everything else. Let's look at the Surface Pro 3. Now, the Surface Pro 3, it comes with a 4th gen. I know it's kind of low. You could go a little bit lower, but for the price tag, let's say of both devices, keep them about the same, you could get a Surface Pro 3 i5 4th gen. It's a 4th gen i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig SSD, or it might be 128. I gotta double check, but you can get that for about $399 on Amazon. It is refurbished, so the Surface Go will be brand new. But if you check around on eBay, your OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, you know, you could probably find it for much cheaper. As a matter of fact, I bought not just one, but 2 Surface Pro 3s. It was the i5 version, 256 gig, 8 gigs of RAM. I got both of them for 150 bucks each. Now, those were deals. One of them even came with the stylus. They both came with keyboards. Fantastic. Had them for a while. I sold one of them recently. The other one is gone too. And as a matter of fact, I actually came up on a better deal when it came to, I got a Surface Pro 4 for around $300 something, I think, or it might have been $200 something. Not, I don't remember the price. It was a while ago. But guys, I honestly would not recommend the Surface Go. The keyboard travel side, it seems like it's a little too close together, so you will start feeling cramped. The 10-inch screen, it is a little small. It makes you think back of, like, you know, when like netbooks came out. I think it was back in like 2010, 2009, when there was all those netbooks and everything. They were underpowered devices, small, cramped. It was very hard to get something that, you know, could really fit you, you know. And when the Surface Pro came out, perfect device. Surface 2 came out, cool. The Surface 3, I think that's when Microsoft really hit the nail on the head. And if you're looking for a device that's small, that's portable, I mean, the Surface 3 is about 1.76 pounds. Surface Go's like 1.1. That's such a small difference, guys. If you really think about weight and all that, you're not gonna really feel a difference. And if you look online hard enough, you don't even look hard at all, you could get a Surface Pro 3 with the keyboard. The Surface Go just come with a keyboard. So you gotta pay $399 for the device. I didn't check how much the keyboard was. It's probably $100. I don't believe it comes with the stylus as well. You're getting an underpowered device that is newer, don't get me wrong, but underpowered device. I think comes with like with that Windows 10s on top of that. Now I'm in the full Windows. It's still full Windows, but we're not gonna talk much about that. But you can get a better device, more processing power, larger screen, 12 inches versus 10. More storage space. Well, they got about the same, but whatever. And on top of that, you can probably get it for cheaper, guys. Both of my Pro 3s came with the keyboards. They both cost me $150 each. And that was at least a year ago, if not 2 years ago, for my first Pro 3. And my Pro 4, I caught a crazy deal on there, but nowadays, I'm pretty sure you can get a Pro 4 for under, $400 for sure. And if you're lucky enough, it might even come with a keyboard. Matter of fact, if you really feel like you want some more processing power and still get a good amount of portability, you get a Surface Book for about $450 on eBay. on Craigslist. One of those. It would be the base model, but still more powerful than the Surface Go, baby. You feel me? So anyways, guys, that's really it. I don't have a Surface Go right now, obviously, to use it. I'm not gonna buy it, clearly, as you can tell by this video. But like I said, I would not recommend the Surface Go. Get a Surface 3, save you some money. If you're a baller, get the Surface 4. If you're a big baller, hey, get the Surface Book. You know, save you some money. Or if you don't want to go with Microsoft at all, HP has that HP Spectra X2, something like that. Beautiful tablet. I like it a lot. Dell has their own thing, but I don't know, but I can't recommend the Dell because I never really seen it in person. But the HP one is beautiful in person. I almost bought it myself, but that'd be stupid because I had 2 Surface 3s and a Pro 4. Not gonna do it. So anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Really trying to push this. I am gonna try to be more consistent. I know I said it for like the 4th video, but these videos are gonna be getting better. Quality's gonna be a whole lot better. Really trying to step it up. So check out the channel, guys. Link to the Instagram is down below as well. Snapchat, I'll post it on there as well, guys. Anyways, that's it. Oh, and if you guys like car content, I don't know if I'm gonna post any car content, but if I do, who knows, you'll get to see the car and you know what things I'll be doing to it. Anyways, guys, that's it. Peace.